Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista Aamir from Express Fairway Freight LLC. Our today's topic is which seaport is best for doing import in UAE. Overall, 61% of cargo destined for GCC states arrive via UAE seaports. UAE has 12 commercial trading ports other than the oil ports. Major ports are Jebel Ali, Mina Rashid and Zayed Port. Jebel Ali Port and Mina Rashid Port are located in Dubai City and operated by DP World. This is the main reason for importers to import their goods in Jebel Ali Port. Rules and regulations are very clear and user friendly, and it is very easy import in Jebel Ali Port. Now I will guide you about custom clearance from Jebel Ali ports. Once the exporter will ship your cargo to Jebel Ali Port, they will give you cargo related documents which are bill of lading, invoice, packing list, certificate of origin. And if your cargo is related to food product, they will provide you health certificate as well. You only need to provide all original documents to your agent. Then your agent will collect the delivery order from shipping line and start the process of clearance. On the same day, you will get your cargo at your destination by your agent. If you want the custom clearance service and delivery of your cargo at your place in hassle-free and very friendly environment, we at Express Fairway Freight LLC are providing this service in a seamless manner. You can find my contact details on screen. Do not hesitate to ask any question anytime. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. Thank you.